Oh, okay. Look here. So this was from the config file. Hello, Lele, and welcome to another episode of Mare Mamani Tech. Today we're going to be continuing on with PNPT Capstone boxes, hacking another box. Today we've got dev. Let me show you that real quick. For those who have been following my journey, basically what I've been trying to do is go through the PNPT courses boxes again. So this is our box today. It's called dev. As you can see, not much here except for let me get this open, except for a command line GUI, but we're going to be playing around with that today. And we're using our attack box here, Kali Linux. So starting fresh, nothing set up, but just to give you a feel for what it looks like when I'm hacking, trying to hack into these boxes, just to get better at practicing this. But yeah, with that being said, we're not going to say much, but get it straight into it. So first, again, as usual, let's get my terminal opened up here, get my notes all set up. So for those who are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for being here. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. Today we're going to be getting into PNPT. So these are my Hack the Box notes. Let me open up my PNPT course. I'm trying to be better organized. So let's see here. Yeah, this from last time. We're just gonna clean this up real quick before we start. Alrighty, so we're gonna start again, just starting with a directory. Call that dev. Within dev, throw this in here. 3 boxes or folders. Call them enumeration. Basically, that's just our phase where we do some reconnaissance on the victim box, trying to find out more information on any vulnerabilities, kind of find our way into how we can exploit the system. Then after that, we have our exploit section, and then we'll have one more folder containing our findings. Throw these into our box here. Dev. That's what we're going to be working out of today. All right, and we will start out with our enumeration. Let's get this up. Clean this up a little bit. All right, so let me just let's see. CD into PNPT. All right, and then we're starting a new dev. Make directory dev. I think the last time I went through this box, it was probably about 2 months ago. So that's why, like I said, a lot of stuff happened in between that time, and just getting back to these boxes. So making this second round just to get a better grasp of everything, and then also so you guys can see what I've been up to working on these boxes. All right, so once we got that open, we will start a teamwork session. I'll show you guys connection to the box. Oh, let me start the timer. Let's see. Start the timer. I'll shave off 5 minutes since I already started. Usually I do 55 minutes just so I'm not going down too many rabbit holes. And also, if it comes to that 55 minutes and I haven't like pwned the box by that time, pwning the box means that you've basically hacked the box or the machine. When we say box, we're referring to a machine or a computer. So 15 minutes starting now. Okay, timer is going. Let me clear this, and then we're going to test for connectivity to the computer. So what I'm doing right here is using a tool that we created with in the PNPT course, IP sweep. Basically just sees if there's if I'm connected to this machine. So let's see here, 192.168.174 is the IP subnet we're working off of. 128 is my attack box and 136 is the victim box. So good. So we have connectivity to the box. So now let's run our scans. I'll start off with a Rustscan, and then we will do our NMAP scan after that. A 192.168.174.136, and then let's do U limit. I think I'll do -- U limit. Yep. Yep. Okay. While that's running, we will add Rustscan here. So I'm just, importance of taking notes while you're hacking is so that like once you figure stuff out, that way you don't have to go back and refigure things out that you found. So I'm just going to copy this in to my notes so we don't have to run that again. All right, and then let's see here. Throw that in here. Enumeration, new notes. Gotta figure out why it keeps coming out here instead of the current directory. Probably just a setting I got. NMAP. That's 168.174.136. All right, let's run these scans. NMAP. Map C4-A. All right, let me do this. SC-SV. So we're scanning for version numbers. The reason we want to scan for version numbers, so if you find any vulnerabilities there, then we can we can work off of that. So 2280.111, 2049. I gotta work on another script so that it just flows. So once my NMAP scan or my Rustscan is done running, I can run my NMAP scan and just funnel all those ports into the next scan. So it's just one continuous flow. 4765, 43, 763, and 58, 373. Okay. And then let's see, and then IP address. So the reason I do that is because if I just scan for all the IP addresses, this will just be too slow. 36, and then I'll throw that in a text file. Text. Let that run. Let's see here. While that's simmering, so I see that port 80 is open. Probably prioritize that right now, and then there's just 8080. We'll start with that. Reason why is 80 represents a let's see if that actually ran pretty fast. So let's see, NMAP. Oh, nice. Okay, so we got a good NMAP scan. We'll start building out our notes. Interesting. Okay, NMAP. Drop this in here. Let's start building out our notes. Separate this. Nice. There we go. So let's do, how many we got here? How many open ports? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, and we got here 22. That's SSH. And then let me paste that in. Where is that? Just get this version info. Probably leave this to last. SSH, just because I haven't had too much success with SSH. A lot of people don't. It is a more difficult port to enumerate off of for reasons I'm still learning. Here we go, 80. Paste that in. So yeah, the beginning stage is always just building your notes, The reason why is because as we build our notes, the more we know about the system, the more we know what areas we can attack, what areas are vulnerable to this computer we're trying to hack into. Gives us a better idea of what we're up against. What we can try to get into. Okay. 1-on-1. By the way, if you see anything that I could improve on, let me know in the comments, or anything that I'm doing good at. Things I need to improve on, anything like that. So appreciate you guys tuning in today into Mare Mamani Tech. We're just building our notes here, Very important. Let's see here. Oh, these are RPC. Let me finish this. 80, 80. You know, I'll just add this in so I don't have all of that mumbo jumbo. Because this is still on HTTP, but we will check it still. I'll just put the information down here. And then all this stuff, I'm just gonna put it into one. Combine it. Oh, actually, wait, no. We have two mounts here. 4765 and 58373. Okay, or no, three mounts. Okay. Got a steady port on that one. Let's just do RPC bind. I'm gonna add it here. Just put and extra RPC info. So let's go down here, add this. Okay, we'll come back to that last. We can delete these. Delete. Okay. And then let's move these. Oh, no, not that. Let's move these into our enumeration folder. All right. And then let's see. So we'll start with 280. So we're going to put a to-do list so we don't go down any rabbit holes. Got this from Tyler Ramsby, By-Side Security, a lot of other cybersecurity researchers out there that utilize this methodology. So I enjoy it and feel like it's something I need to add in. Check websites. So when I say check website, that usually refers to GUI, graphical user interface, source code, and any directories. Oh no. Yeah, directories. So like robots.txt, all of that. It's good stuff. Do a Nicto scan. What else do we want to do? Yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, version check, version number check. because as you can see here, like this is the good thing about our NMAP scans. So what NMAP is a network mapper, kind of networks what computers are connected to the current network that you're working off of, and then it kind of gives you information based on when it scans those machines, any information in terms of like version checks, things like that. So it seems like a PHP running on this 2.4 Apache 2.4.38. Seems to be an installation error with Bolt, so we'll check that out. Okay. This stuff I'm not too sure how to enumerate off of it, so I'm just gonna leave it blank now. We can go to that after, and I'll leave this for last. But yeah, let's go check out the website. Open up Firefox. See what we got running on this website. 92.168, 74.136, 480. Bolt installation error. Okay. So let me take a screenshot of this. Let's see. Exit full screen mode real quick. Take a screenshot of this. Like I said, we just got to build out our notes. Allows us to better know what we're up against and how we can attack it. So let's see here. I get the full thing. Okay, that. Bada bing, bada boom. Right here. So we add this to our notes. Found defaults, websites, load. So let's go check out that website. Bolt, and so you're probably installed Bolt in the wrong folder. It is recommended that you install Bolt outside. Let's see, source code. So when we have source code like this, just try to do a control find, control F, and just find things like passwords or password. Nope. Keys, like API keys or anything like that. But doesn't seem to be anything off of first glance. So nothing there. Our folder. Let's do our directory traversal while we're waiting, or while we're doing some of this stuff. So I can kill this window. X. Yes. Alright. And now clear this so you guys can see this. We're gonna do some so we checked the GUI source code, nothing too like that popped out real quick. And then directories. I'm gonna do some directory traversal. So I'm gonna use FUF. Yeah, pass in a word list. Stored here in Kali, our user share word list, and then what is it? Buster list. Wait. Oh. Word list. Buster. And then we're gonna go for a small. Once we have that, we'll pass in our URL. One 192.168.174.136, and the keyword is fuzz. We don't want any error codes except for 200s, 403s, I think are redirects, and then 500s, or it's 43, I think 320, 420 is redirect. Anyways, we'll just go with that for now. Run that scan. While that's running, let's get Durbuster going. So we're just doing directory traversal right here. Getting our 2 directories traversals going. I would say I am getting better because of this practice, which is a good thing. Like knowing which tools to run. Still, I still got a lot to learn, but way faster than what I was doing before. So that's a good thing, right? Picking it up as we go. 80, and then let's not be recursive because we don't want it to take forever. We're going to use that same word list. User share word list. Word list right here. Durbuster small.txt, and then we should be good to go. Oh wait, no. Go faster. Make sure you change that. I think that's everything. Okay, let's start. So we see our results tree. Alright, these are some good things. Finding some directories. Let's see what, oh, fuzz should be done now. At least that's what it says. Let's go back to that one real quick. Maybe I ran that one wrong. Let's run that one again in the background. Just do 200s. That's probably it. Okay. So, this is what Durbuster found. Good thing about Durbuster, provides a nice GUI. Graphical user interface. Let's see, index.php. What do we have here? Icon, source, sites, custom extension, config. Okay, so we have a config. Let's see, that configuration file. Here's this bolt file. Password library. Interesting. README. What does this produce? So we can go to this. So vendor. Yeah, vendor /bolt /password library. See what that brings up. Why not? Right here. Vendor /bolts. Okay, so we can see into this. Let me take a screenshot of this. We found like this directory here. And one thing that just came to mind, because I've been doing Hack the Box, I think once I finish going through the Capstone again, I probably will just do some retired Hack the Box YouTube videos. Just again, practicing my methodology, showing you guys what I've been going through. So this was on the vendor bolt page. Okay, let's go see what's in there. Okay, let's go back here. Let's just autoload PHP. When did we get a shell off of that? It's in bin. No, you know what? Let me go back. I want to go to that vendor and then the password library we were originally looking at. Let's see. It was password, then bolts. After bolt, right? Let's see. Bolt, password lib. There's a markdown file there too, so. Bolts. And then password library. Let's see. README markdown. I wonder if this will just download this to my computer. We'll see though, we'll see. Yep, okay, let's see what this says. This version is exactly like the original, just type. So I'm just skimming through this. I don't think there's anything. This is from the looks of it. It's more so just how the password works. Okay, let's go to config. Let's go to config. See what that. Oh, that didn't. Let's see. Let's see. Config. Config permissions. Oh, system. App slash. Oh, it's because app slash config. Okay. That's the mistake we made. App slash config. Let's see, while that's doing that, do we do our version checks already? Oh, wait, let's see. Permissions. Just download these two. Oh no, it's okay. Let's do the permissions first and then we'll look at the config. Config. We'll download both of those. Oh, okay. Look here. So this was from the config file. Okay. So, oh, that's good information right there. Let's see. Yeah, do a better one. Sorry, I'm just looking at this information real quick. So it says we have a database name, bolts, username bolts, and password I love Java. Okay. Let's copy this image. Throw this in our notes. Found a username and password in the this one app dash config dash config YAML file. Password is username is Bolt. Password is I_love Java _Java. I like Java. Java's good programming language. It's the second one I learned after Python. Yep, we'll get into that story on another video. I want to check out that permissions file real quick. Oh, you know what I could do right here? Let's stop that. Just hold it for now. I don't know, I think there's something wrong with FUF. I gotta work on FUF. Maybe I'm entering it incorrectly. Clear ls, and then let me just cut that file in the downloads folder. It was a and then let's see. Yeah, let's cut that out. See if there's anything in there. Nope. Okay. We're good. Clear that out. Okay, so let's see. We have this username and password here, right here. Let's see if we can do anything with that. Let me go back to full screen. Hopefully that won't make it bigger. Let's see. Can we do Control plus? Or Control plus? No. Alright, never mind. I'll fix that later. Let's go back, see if we can find a login page somewhere. The name of the website, sample is here. See if there's any websites. Let's see. Bolt assets. I wonder if there's anything. Path admin. Ooh, maybe we could try that. Let's see here. Yeah, see if there's a. Let me check with that real quick. If there's an admin. Buster found like an admin. Is there an admin page? Public. Okay, let's try that admin. Admin. Nope. Let's see here. Let's go look at 8080 real quick, because that was also on our HTTP. Okay. There's this. Let me go back to 80. Let's see what it says on 80. Okay, it's remembering to install Bolt inside outside so called by root because it's generally the best practice is overall skills using the incorrect folder as web root. Let's see if we have anything in here. Click on this stuff. See if this takes us anywhere. Nope, nothing up there. Let's see, what about installing bolts? Nope. Let me cat out that YAML file again. Not that one. The config one. See if the, you know what, let me cat it out and grab it for our website. Just do HTTP. Market.bolt.cm. Wonder if we add this to our host file and see what happens. So let's vim our etsy hosts file, add that one to our, or let me go back. Yeah, add this. Then back into here. Oh, okay. Wait, will it allow me to edit? Let's see. Okay, yeah, I got a sudo into it, which makes sense. Let me just get out of this. Sudo web etsy hosts. Yep. Let's delete that and enter in 192.168.74.136, and then we're gonna enter in this if we can. CD, oh no, okay. Dang it, let me do this first. Enter it here. Sudo back into here. So we got that. .174.136. Have that over, delete that stuff. All right, let's see if that works now. So now when we go to the website, let's try market.bolt.cm. Okay, now it redirects to this. Let's try these. No, you know what? Let me get rid of that line now. All right, sudo into the host file again. I will just delete this line. I don't think that's it. WQ Okay, let's search around. You know what we're searching around? Let's do a Nicto scan. Nicto 92.168, 174.136. Oh wait. HTTP 480. Let's see here. We go to the 168. Okay, let's try www. Kind of stuck right now. Trying to figure out what to do next. Ah, if you must edit the .bolt.yaml file. I feel like there's something we need to modify in order to like access the website, because I have login credentials, but what we're trying to look for is like a landing page bolt. Let's go back to our Buster. Alright, let's see what Nicto's found. Okay. Web server runs valid. Directory indexing found. This might be interesting. Okay, let's go to this icons readme. /icons readme. Let me take a picture. Oh, you know what? Let me do that. I scan again and I'll save it into a text file. Okay, that way we have it for later. I'll have to rerun it. Icons readme. Let's go there. /icons. No. Mike Brown. Okay, let me hyperreal.org. Wonder if this is the website that we gotta add. Let me take a screenshot of that before I forget. Public domain icons. Rectangle around Mike Brown. Okay. Okay, let's try that now. So that didn't work. We're gonna try this one now. Possible domain at hyperreal.org. Let's try that. Sudo vim into the etc host file, and then let's add that. So 4.136 tab hyperreal.org. Okay, let's go now. Hyperreal. RG. Hyperreal.org. Okay, let's run that now. Nope. Still redirected us to here. Okay. That is not the way to go. Do I strike through here? Format strike through. Breakthrough. I feel like I'm just going down a rabbit hole. It's all good though. Learning. I want to try this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's the crazy thing. Like, I got credentials, so I'm just trying to get to a website, like a login website or something. Index.php. Let's see what that looks like. Index.php. Should be just a PHP file that loads. Might just be that website. Let's see here. Collection. Change log. Readme source. What we got in here? Test. It's a lot of mumbo jumbo. There's a lot of readmes, but I think the ones we want to focus on. Extensions, source app. See the app cache, development, data. Nothing there. Twig. What's this twig? Config. Menus. YAML files. What's the database? Bolt DB. Okay, let's try going there. Maybe that's what we're trying to look for, because it is. We did see Bolt DB. Or wait, let's see what it said. How do we get there? App database. App database. App/database. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this gives us. Anything? No, I'm just gonna try anything right now. Let's see here. Sudo vim 92.168.174.136. bolt.db. I feel like something bolt because that's come across a lot. FAQ. Okay, let us open proxy. Let's go back here. Let's try to edit this YAML file. Maybe that's the issue. And that bolt.yaml file is found where? Let's see. Inspect. Oh wait, no. We already checked the source code on here. We checked that. Okay. Let's go back to the app config. Okay. Configurations. Oh wait, I don't know. There's no parent directory on that. Parent directory on that. Extensions, nope. Parent directory. Parent directory. See this. Let me go back to that config file we found. That was just cut that. Nope, that's the timer. All right, let me just check something real quick. Market.bolt. See that? There's that market.bolt again. .cm. Let's see here. Alright, y'all. I'm going to end the video off there. I wasn't able to get this, but it's okay. Felt like I did a lot of good enumeration on getting notes. I feel like I'm just missing some technical aspects of it in terms of like finding a login page or manipulating the host file so that I can actually get to a web page. So I will go through the walkthrough in part 2, but that's the end for part 1. If you like this concept, please like and subscribe. Throw in the comments any rooms for improvement. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today. With that being said, remember, aim high and achieve. Malo pito, tuafat.